Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is a deck called the Sweet Blossom Lenormand. So another Lenormand deck. As you know, we've been increasing the range of that lately, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on this one. Now, I haven't been able to buy this from the UK. I've had to import it from Germany, even though it is an English deck, and it's from AGM Urania. So that's the publishers over in Germany. It's, yeah, you can see it says here made in Germany. It's a stunning little deck. It's really worth it. Just a standard little box. I'll show you the cards so you can see what the kind of cards are, and you get the little booklet with it. And actually the entire thing is really very comprehensive. You get like a history of the Lenormand, some examples on how to read it, and then also the pairings, which is really quite good. So you've got a very, very comprehensive deck here. So you can see, for example, they say, right, okay, let's pull a clover. We've got a ship near it. If you're doing the grand tableau, obviously, then if the clover is near the ship, then it's traveling is a good option, or money is coming. You see, or if it's further away from the man or the woman, if you have the grand tableau. So if it's further away, then it's traveling. Trip is not going to go ahead right now, or business is slow. So I really love the far or near, because I know that that's another aspect of Lenormand that, to be honest with you, I haven't really got my head around either. I know the further away it kind of dilutes it is the simplest way to really look at them when you first start reading. So yeah, it's a little booklet that comes with it. I'll show you the cards. These are the backs. It's by Irene, I can't say her last name, Capchin. So it's enhanced, its lightness and softness of colours. Blossoming flowers on each card bring to life the promise of spring and gives hope and optimism for the challenges of everyday life. So it's got the 36 cards, and then you've got the two male or the two women, if obviously it's the same sex reading. So you've got the rider. Let me just pop these up so you can see them. Now, as I always say, you can speed this up if you want to, or you can slow it down. I'm going to use these cards myself. I was looking for something as well that I could use as well as the Dreaming Away Lenormand, because I really enjoy that deck, and this is so gentle. I mean, how is it possible to make that gentle? But it does. Such lovely little cards. You can see in the expression in his eyes how loyal he is. That's a loyal friend. This is an established entity. So even the negative cards, like the mice, look how it can make it look quite attractive, you know? Because everything is kind of what it's meant to be, isn't it? Whether it's good or bad at the time, it's a question of perception, isn't it? If you knew what I mean. We've got 28 and 29, so that's the man and the woman. Gorgeous. And then another man and a woman. So you choose whichever one you want to do, or you can keep two in there if it's the same, if you're reading for a same-sex relationship. Okay, so that is the Sweet Blossom Lenormand by Irene Captain. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed that. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.